I'm going to tell you how you can run multiple Google accounts or multiple login accounts. Now if you want to open different Gmail accounts or using multiple accounts at once, me and Google Chrome is here to help you. Open Google Chrome. Now click on this picture icon and click on add right under the other people's. Now add a person or your name. Click here on add. Now you can log into another Gmail account through this. You can create as many as you want Chrome browser and connect to as many as Gmail IDs you want. Now create another one. Click on add and add the name also. And click on add. Now you can see that another one is created. You can run multiple Google accounts by using this method and it will not affect your work. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.